Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna try something for the first time with you guys. I went somewhere yesterday and I had like the chicken. I'm like, you know what, let me try it because my husband like it. I'm like, let me try it, and I'm gonna make it my way. I'm gonna go step by step with you guys. They call it chicken lollipop. It's like with chicken drumstick. I'm gonna go step by step with you guys. Just stay with me. All right guys, basically the first thing what you're gonna do, I have my chicken. I'm gonna show you guys how to cut the first one. You're gonna get your knife, you're gonna cut it like that, and then let's take your time with it. Let me see. One time. Okay. Now, and everything cut. Make sure you got it, baby. I'm just gonna peel it. The glove made my hand kind of slippery. I'll show it to you guys. And you're gonna get your knife. You're gonna cut that part. And I'm gonna make sure I cut all the vein. Okay. And you're gonna get your two finger like that. You're just gonna push it, kind of push it. I'll show it to them, baby. And you see, it's not good. You have to make sure you can stand. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your knife and you're gonna cut that part a little bit. That's the part that's gonna make it stand all the way. Okay. Try that again. You see? Voila. Now I'm gonna try to cut all those one, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do next. Hey guys, I'm done with all the chicken. You see, all of them can stand. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go wash my chicken. Like everybody wash their chicken different, but when I wash my chicken, I'm gonna wash it with some lime, with some vinegar and some salt. I'm just gonna wash it. When I'm done wash it, I'm gonna show you guys how I season it so we can do it together. All right guys, look at my chicken. Next we're gonna season our chicken. I have some goja season. Let me show it to you guys. And I have some lime juice. We're gonna add it. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And we're gonna add like 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Okay. I have some Creole season, and you guys can season it the way you guys want. I'm not gonna say how to season it. You know, some people don't like a lot of season. Some do. I'm just gonna show you guys all my season mine. I have some paprika for the color, of course. And when I'm done seasoning my chicken, guys, I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for like 1 to 2 hours, or you can leave it longer if you want to. We have some cayenne pepper. I like my chicken to be spicy. Let me show you that. You guys can put anything. You guys can mix it up, guys. That's why when you cook, you don't have to put what everybody puts. You can choose your own season, what you like. And I have some chili powder. I'm gonna put a little bit. And I have some Maggi. I put like 1 teaspoon. Let me show you guys what I put. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix everything together. All right guys, we're gonna season our chicken. It's already smell good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Remember what I told you guys, you can season it the way you want. You don't have to follow. I suggest you follow my way because it tastes really good. But again, some people love a lot of season, some don't. The chicken looks so good, and you don't have to be scared to get your hand dirty. Just see, make sure the season go all over your chicken. And I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for like 1 to 2 hours, maybe like 2 hours, because I'm gonna make some rice. I'm gonna make some vegetable, and when I'm done, I'm gonna start frying my chicken. All right guys, my chicken been marinated for like 2 hours because I'm already done with all the food I was cooking. I'm not gonna put flour on it, but I'm gonna get a little bit of the cornstarch. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna put a little bit on the chicken so it can be crispy a little bit. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. You're just gonna do this and you're gonna leave it. I'm gonna wait for the oil to be hot so I can put my chicken. All right, guys, I'm gonna start putting my chicken. I'm gonna press it a little bit and I'm gonna just add it to the water. And I'm gonna let it fry for like 10 minutes. And after that, I'm gonna show you guys what the final result look like. Alright guys, the chicken is done. It's been like 15 minutes because I want when I cook my chicken real good. And I'm gonna put them here and I'm gonna make this sauce to show you guys how I make the sauce for the chicken. Alright, I put my butter. I have a little bit of onion. Let me show you guys what I got. We're gonna add a little bit of onion. Let me open the top so more can come out. This one here. I'm gonna do this. And we're gonna add some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna put too much for the kids. Gonna eat some of it. But if you love spicy food, you can add a lot of it. I'm gonna put some crushed red pepper. Okay. I'm gonna leave it for like, let's say like 2 minutes. And we're gonna add our chicken on this sauce. Alright, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our chicken. Oh, how good that looks, guys. The phone don't do me no justice because that looks so good. I wish you guys could have seen the way it looked like. And I'm gonna add all my chicken and I'm gonna put them in the plate. I'll show you guys how they look like. Guys, I'm done with the chicken. Let me show it to you guys. I'm gonna zoom it a little bit. That tastes so good. That's a perfect appetizer, or you can call it the main course, but that looks so good for any wedding, baby shower, any party you're doing. That's a perfect thing because you don't have to dirty your hand. Let me show it to you guys. For something I tried for the first time, I'm not gonna lie, it look good, it tastes so good. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all. See you guys on my next video.